Hi! Finally, we got some winter, and wow, it's marvelous. It's really fantastic. I'm super happy that we finally got winter. It's actually quite cold. We do have temperatures of around minus 12 centigrade right now, but it's warm. It's warm in the sun, so this is fantastic. It's really amazing. Finally some snow, finally some winter time, and I'm enjoying it. I'm really enjoying it. So I'm really having a blast here. Today I like to visit three mountains. Yeah, I like to visit three mountains, reach the summit of all of those three mountains. Well, they're actually rather small mountains, so it's not so much of a problem. But yeah, that's the plan for today, and I like to take you along as I explore this beautiful winter scenery, this winter wonderland. And yeah, I hope you will be enjoying it. Alright, I made it to the first summit and it's fantastic. It's really amazing. As you can see behind me, the trees are covered in frost. It's marvelous. It's really what I enjoy. It's really what I like. This is fantastic. This is really the perfect weather for me. I'm really enjoying the winter. The winter is really the best season of the year. I just wish we would have more winter like that and not just rain and cloudy days, because hey, we do have sunshine, we do have the perfect weather for today. It's freezing, the sun is shining, no clouds in the sky, so amazing, really amazing. And yeah, so this was the first summit. I will show you a little bit around, and then I will continue on. I will continue on to the next summit and hopefully see some more fantastic winter impressions and winter vantage points and whatnot. Yeah, I just like to take in the scenery, I just like to take in the atmosphere and enjoy the day. Really enjoy the day. Wow, this is so amazing. The sun is so warm. This is unbelievable how warm the sun feels. And yeah, once you're in the shadows, you really feel the freezing temperatures, and this is great. This is so great. Also, look at the scenery. Look at all those beautiful snowy trees. Snow and ice covered trees. This is marvelous. This is so great. I'm really having a blast here and I'm really enjoying it. So this is amazing. This is really great. Wow. Perfect day. Really the perfect day. The perfect winter day. And I'm enjoying it. I'm really enjoying it. Just look at this beautiful scenery. This is so amazing. Wow. I'm over the moon. Yeah. All right. I think I will move on. and yeah, enjoy more of this fantastic scenery. Oh wow, cool, just fantastic. Yeah, feels good. Feels good to be out here and to relax a bit. All right, let's move on and see what the next interesting thing is that I encounter. I just visited the second mountain, the second summit, but there's just this very small platform, and with COVID-19 and all the other hikers that like to get up there, I haven't had the chance to show you around. Well, I took a few images. I mean, you already saw them, but yeah, there was not so much the chance of doing this vlog thing up there because other hikers wanted to get up there to this platform as well, and so I would have felt really bad if I would have then stood up there and yeah, did my vlog thing instead of, okay, I'm taking just a couple of pictures, I'm recording a little bit of the scenery, and then I move on to, well, this spot right now where I can talk a little bit about the second summit. There you could see at least the final destination for today. Well, it's not the final destination, but it's the turning point. I like to get to the Schneeberg, which is a little bit more that way. And yeah, we'll get there in just a bit. Up there, we'll do have some lunch. I brought some snacks for lunch so that I'm not starving to death while I'm hiking here. And yeah, then I will turn around and move all the way back. But yeah, it was good. You saw that mountain, the Schneeberg in the distance, mountain with the tower on top of it. It was a little bit in the clouds, but this could be interesting. When I get up there, I should be in the clouds as well. So I'll see how this turns out. And yeah, so second summit done. Still still some distance to go, and yeah, some more winter to enjoy. So let's do that and go that way and see whatever's happening there. All right, I made it. I reached the summit of the Schneeberg, and it's fantastic. It's really fantastic. It's, yeah, winter wonderland. Everything is frozen, as you can see behind me. The trees are covered in ice and snow, and the entire scenery looks so fantastic. It's really amazing. It's super cold, but also so rewarding. It's so amazing. I am over the moon. It's fantastic. It's really what I enjoy. This is a perfect weather, and I like snow. I just like snow and ice. And yeah, so I reached the summit of the Schneeberg here. I will have a quick snack, a quick lunch break, and then turn around and move all the way back. And yeah, it's fantastic. It's really amazing. So yeah, I guess I will leave it here and show you more of the scenery instead of just rambling around. So yeah, enjoy it. I just visited a little hiker's cabin. There you can normally have some food and also something to drink, and they do offer a beer garden during the summer, and you can even sleep there if you're on a longer hike. But yeah, during COVID-19, there's of course no real food available, but they offered something to drink, some beverages, some hot beverages, some cold beverages, and also some spiced wine. And this is fantastic. I had some spiced wine right here in this winterly landscape. This is amazing. This was really great. This really made my day. This has also yeah, increased my mood again to have a hot beverage, to have a hot spiced wine in the middle of the winter, in the middle of the snow. So this is great. This was super cool. And also I just wanted to support them because right now during the global pandemic, it's not that easy for them to survive. And so giving them something by, well, or helping them, supporting them by buying something to drink there is just a great thing. And so I helped them, I helped myself by getting something warm to drink. And yeah, I guess I will now continue on back to the car. And yeah, it's still a few kilometers to go. I have to climb back up the first mountain and then descend there to the car. So I guess I will be busy for a little bit longer, but that's fine. I mean, the weather's perfect and I'm just enjoying it. All right, back in the car. The rest of the hike was rather uneventful. And yeah, I even drove to a nearby slope for skiing. But yeah, obviously, due to COVID-19, the no skiing possible unless you walk up there and then you ski down or so. But yeah, no real skiing going on here. It's a little bit sad because it's really the slope where I was skiing for so many years and I would have enjoyed going back here. But yeah, I guess that's it. This was the winter hike. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope I see you again in a future adventure.